Welcome back to Fruitful Living. Today I'll be sharing with you the usefulness of scent leaf. As we all know, for time immemorial, scent leaf has been used as herbal remedy as well as for food. But I'll be sharing with you just 2 tips on how to use it for as herbs. Number 1, scent leaf can help to stop stooling. All you need to do is to get 1 or 2 leaves of scent leaf, rinse it properly and chew. 2. Scent leaf can also help with cough and catarrh. How to use it? Boil scent leaf together with lemongrass. Boil for 10 to 20 minutes. Inhale the steam and drink from it. Do this morning and evening. It will help to reduce the cough and catarrh. This will be all for today. Please like, share and comment if this has been useful to you, and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new video. Until next time, stay fruitful, stay healthy.